in manufacturing pharmaceutical equipment for production of ampoules, vials, and oral liquids. The line is composed of rotary ultrasonic bottle washer, a depressurization tunnel dryer, and a linear filling and sealing machine. It is mainly used in pharmaceutical industry to complete the process of sterilizing, filling and sealing of ampoules ranging from 1 ml to 20 ml. The operation starts from pre-washing. The bottles are loaded on mesh belt and then transferred into a water tank where they are rinsed by water spirals and washed by ultrasonic wave. The pre-washed bottles are output by a nozzle and are raised by a lift cam to next station for fine washing. Held by grippers, the bottles are turned upside down. There are 6 groups of spray needles to flush the inside of bottles, once each with recirculated water, purified water, Wi-Fi, and to rinse with clean air 3 times. At the same time, the outside of bottles is flushed with recirculated water and clean air once each. After inside and outside flushing, the bottles are output by a dial wheel, and by now the whole cleaning process is completed. The cleaned bottles are automatically fed into the preheating section of the tunnel dryer through the mesh belt, and they enter the high-temperature section or drying and sterilization in an enclosed chamber with class 100 laminar airflow. The bottles in the chamber are sterilized and tunnel dryer enters the filling and sealing machine through a connecting plate. At the filling station, the piston pumps inject the liquid product into bottles through filling needles, and the filling volume of each pump is adjustable by rotating the hand wheel or via the touch screen. At the preheating station, the empty bottles are heated by the mixed composition gas of liquid gas and oxygen blowout of the nozzles, and at the same time, it produces a spinning motion under the action of the roller. At the sealing station, the top of the bottles is heated and softened by the flame and then dragged by clamps to seal, and the sealed bottles are transferred by a dial wheel to output to collect tray or mesh belt. As an option, this machine can be equipped with a hydrogen and oxygen generator as a fuel gas source. Of construction for the line is compliance with GMP guidelines. The parts in contact with the liquid product are made of 316L stainless steel, high-quality silicon tubes or glass. The cladding parts are made of 304 2B stainless steel, and the remaining parts are made of appropriate materials that meet the functions of the equipment and comply with the GMP regulations. Self-made parts are guaranteed by advanced processing methods and a strict quality control system. Purchased parts always adhere to the principle of high-standard adaptation. All electrical components configured in the equipment are international brands of well-known domestic brands. Our Ampoule production line has the following innovative advantages. It adopts servo motor drive, synchronous tooth belt transmission, and linear guide rear movement. The whole machine is light and flexible in operation, with low noise and strong rigidity. The auger and integral pulley and small walking beam connection mechanism adopt, with short transmission path and low bottle breakage rate. The filling position station has a simple and reliable structure, and the filling needle can be inserted into the bottle mouth more accurately. The filling system can be equipped with glass pump, metal pump, ceramic pump, and peristaltic pump to meet various needs of customers.